Hello, good morning students. Yesterday I give to you some question for your homework. Fourth question. I hope everyone solve this 4 question. I think if you easily solve all 4 questions, I think if anyone maybe problem you face problem in third part, I think. So now we are discussing third part. This one. Yeah. 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. What is rationalize the denominator? Do you remember? Yesterday I told you how to rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator mean we have to remove the square root of whose denominator. So right? How will write? Multiply and divide by what number? By same number. By a number we only will check. Only change the sign of denominator and write as it is. So 2. So what we will make? A minus B, A plus B. Very good. This one. 2 plus root 3. Now, which one formula? It's 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3. What is formula? It is suppose A. Suppose it is A. It is B into A plus B multiply A plus B. What formula it is? A plus B, base is same, power is add A plus B whole square. So it means 2 plus root 3 whole square div upon. Now it is A minus B bracket multiply A plus B, and we know what is formula? A square minus B square. So this one A square. What is A? 2 square minus root 3 square. Do you understand? We apply formula. In every question we will write formulas also. Next. Now, apply formula. In 8th class we already learned what is A plus B whole square. What is A square? 2 square plus B square plus 2A. A 2. B into root 3. Divide by A square 2 square 4 minus B square. Yes, root A into square. What is square cancel? Square root. What is remain? A. Same as it is. Root 3 square minus 3. This one. Do you understand here? We applied which one formula? A plus B. It is A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? First number square A square plus second number square root 3 square plus second number B square plus 2AB. 2 into A 2 into B root 3. Next. So it now open 2 square 4 plus root 3 square 3 plus 2 into 2 4 into root 3. 4 minus 3 1. Next 4 plus 3 adding like term. Here 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 4 root 3 divide by 1. And now 7 plus 4 root 3. These are like term? No, it is here root 3. But suppose in place of root 3 is x. 7 plus 4x can we add? No. Same as it. 7 plus 4 root 3 we cannot add, leave it as it is. And any number divided by 1, same number. Answer. 7 plus 4. Do you understand? Very good. So next question. Now, some more question we are discussing on rationalization. Rationalization of a denominator. Suppose like this one. If x equal to root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 plus 2 and y equal to what is given? Root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2. It is given, and find value. Whose value find? Find value x square minus y square. Find value x square minus y square. So what we will find? First, here we will put x square, value of x. But before first we will find value of x. Already given. Yes. What I told you, whenever in denominator is square root is given, first we rationalize. Understand? First we will remove the square root. And square root, how can we remove? By rationalize. Rationalize, how will we rationalize? Multiply and divide by same number. Yes. A plus B. A minus B. Very good. 2. Root 5 minus 2. Now, it is formula. A minus B. A minus B. A minus B. A minus B. What is become? Base is same. A minus B. A minus B. Power is at A minus B whole square. What is A minus B whole square? X equal to root 5 minus 2 whole square. Divide by A plus B. A minus B. What is formula? A square minus B square. So root 5 square 5 minus 2 square 4. What is answer? So x is come. X equal to, it is formula of A minus B whole square. Do you understand? A minus B whole square. A square 5 plus B square 4 minus 2AB. 2AB. 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 5. Divide by 1. So x equal to, find value of x. X equal to 5 plus 4. 9 minus 4 root. Do you understand? First rationalize the x. So what find x? It is given x. And here we convert x equal to root 5 minus 2 root 5 plus 2 in form of 9 minus 4 root 5. Now we need x square. So taking, how will you find x square? X square. Taking square root both sides. 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. Yes. X square. Taking both sides square. So x square. A minus B whole square. What is formula A minus B whole square? A minus B whole square formula. A square plus B square minus 2AB. What is first number square? First is 9. 9 square 81. Very good. Plus B square. Now look at plus B square. What is B? B is 4 root 5 whole square. It's mean 4 square also and root 5 square also. 4 square 16. Multiply root 5 square also 5. So how much? 16 into 5. How much? 80 minus 2AB. 2 into first number into second number. So 2 into first number. 2 into 9. 18. 18 into 4. 72. Or root 5. Do you understand? So it is the x square value. What is 81? So what is value? So I am writing x value. What is x square? X square equal to, what is 81 plus 80? 161 minus 72 root 5. Do you understand? Next, same as it is, we will find value of y. Same as it is y. So y equal to, so I am writing here is some space problem. Now y. It is y given. It is y, and now first we will remove square root. So how do you remove square root? By squaring or rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, y equal to root 5 plus 2 root 5 minus 2. A minus b, downside a plus b, very good. Root 5 plus 2 root 5 plus 2 y. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square mean, otherwise you can multiply. Take first number, multiply to both. Root 5 into root 5, 5. Understand? So it's become a plus b whole square formula. Which means it is become, solve yourself, I am writing direct, a plus b square. 5 plus 4 plus 2 to the 4 root 5. Next, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. 5 minus 4. What is become? It is become 5 plus 4, 9 plus 4. It is become y equal to 5 plus 4 plus 4 root 9 equal to 1. Do you understand? Root 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4 root 5. Divide by any number, this one. Do you understand? Same as it is y square. So y square, so 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square. Understand? So y square, open this one. So y, a plus b whole square, a square 9 square 81 plus b square, b is 4 root 5. It means 4 square also and root 5. 4 square 16. 16 into 5 80 plus 72 root 5. Now what is become? Y square equal to 161 minus plus 72 root 5. Now put the value in, find value. Whose value we want to find? X square minus y square. So put x square minus y square. What is x square? X square is 161 minus 72 root 5 minus y square, bracket. Always whenever minus sign, so we will use, and more than one term we use bracket. 161 plus 72 root 5. Understand? Next, I am writing here. Now what is value it is come? It is come here. So x square minus y square. 161 minus 72 root 5 minus negative into positive, negative into positive, negative 72 root 5. X square minus y square. Now 160 minus 161, 0. Yes, minus 72 root 5 minus 70 root 5. Both are like term, root 5, and both are same sign, negative, negative. Whenever same sign, always adding. 72 plus 72, 144 minus root 5. So it is answer. X square minus y square minus 144 root 5. Understand everyone? Every time we want to find x square, put the value of x and rationalize. And a minus b square, it is a plus b, a minus b formula. Only formula you have to remember and apply the formulas. X equal to, it is become now. But we want to find x square. So taking square root both side. Again a minus b whole square. Now same as it is y and rationalize. After rationalize, solving and find value of y square. Both sides squaring and put in what we want to find. X square minus y square. Understand? Understand? one more question we are discussing, and after this one I will give you some more questions and do yourself and try and take problem. Suppose if A and B are rational number, A and B are rational number and 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3 equal to A plus B root 3. These questions are not given in NCERT textbook. So it's do yourself all questions. Okay, I am giving some more question and do practice more and more. Every year one question is definitely come from like this one. Understand? So find value. Find A and B. Find A and B. So how will you write? First, देखो 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Always remember, whenever in denominator square root given, taking rationalize the denominator. How will? Only change the sign of denominator and write 2 plus root 3. And same as it is, A plus B root 3. Now A plus B. What is formula? A plus B whole square. So A square. Otherwise A plus B. देखो A plus B. It is also A plus B. What is formula? How will you multiply? A into A square. A into B, AB. Plus now B multiply to both. Same as it is. Taking 2, multiply by 2. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3. Now root 3 multiply to the second binomial. Root 3 into 2. Root 3 into 2 plus root 3 into root 3, 3. Otherwise, so 4 plus 3, 7. Root 3, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 root 3. Otherwise, you can open directly by using a formula. What is? It is A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B into A plus B whole square. What is formula? A square 2, 4 plus root 3 square 3 plus 2AB. 2AB, 2 into 2, 4. 4 into root 3, 4 root 3. A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square. A square, 2 square, 4 minus root 3. Root 3 square, 3 equal to what? A plus B root 3. One more. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus 4 root 3. Divide by 4 minus 1, 1. Equal to A plus B root 3. Any number divide by 1, same number. So 7 plus 4 root 3 equal to A plus B root 3. Now we want to find value. Find value A and B. Now we will compare here like this one. देखो, root 3 multiply B. Root 3 multiply 4. It means B value 4 and A plus. A is how much? So A equal to 7. So A value 7. B value. B is multiplied by root 3. What number here multiplied by root 3? 4. So B equal to 4. Understand? So these questions. Do you understand? Very good. So note down some more question for homework. Do your notebook, fair notebook. Note down. First question. X equal to root 2 plus 1, root 2 minus 1. And y equal to root 2 minus 1. This question is same as it is. Today we discuss first question, same as it is, and find value. Find value x square plus y square plus xy. Yes. First we will find value of x square. X square how will you find? First find value of x, rationalize, then square. Same as it is y. And next is x into y. Multiply x into y. देखो x into y. देखो root 2. Look at root 2 plus 1. Root 2 minus 1. Multiply x into y. root 2 minus 1, root 2 plus 1. Yes, in multiplication, we can go root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1 cancel. In multiplication, multiply. Root 2 plus 1, root 2 plus. What is answer? 1. It's mean xy value how much? 1. So put in xy 1. Find value x square and y square. Same as it is in first example we already find. So this one is the first question. Next, second, if x equal to root 7 minus root 5, root 7 plus root 5, y value root 7 plus root 5, root 7 minus root 5, find x square minus y square. Third, x equal to root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. Y equal to root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 minus root 3. Find x square plus y square. Next, fourth question. If A and B are rational number, and 5 plus 7 plus root 2 divided by 7 minus root 2 equal to a plus b root 2. Find a and b value. Find a and b value. So this question is same as it is in second example I already discussed. So this is for today only. You will do all the question you are in fair notebook. Do you understand? It is very important question. These are every year one question come from like this one, first or fourth. 1, 2, 3, all are these. First rationalize and put value x square, y square and xy. Do you understand? Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.